Yo, and this is just a quick intro to the first video. This is technically part 2. Just want to give a big thanks to everybody that gave a like, everybody that subscribed, and everybody that commented. Hope you guys like it.
What you think of it? That shit kicks too much.
Yours kicks. I just feel like that front side's just a little high.
Now, if we're gonna compare it, we gotta.
You gotta.
We got. Well, I still gotta. Let me shoot this one. I have one left. Or two.
This one should have 6?
6? Check.
4.
I'm gonna just hit the top corner. Damn. That's horrible. You want to fill this one up? Or?
No, it's already filled.
Oh, they are?
This one has 4.
Yeah, let me fill this one up then.
This one's still live.
Check.
I put 12 in each. Now that they're broken in.
Is working? That's what's up. Technically, if we're talking,
My bad.
No, you're fine.
I can barely hear as it is.
Yeah.
oh, you only hold 12.
Yeah.
I'm able to hold. Well, nah, technically, on the stock mags, I only hold 10. Well, look. I don't got it, actually. I don't got it. These are not stock
Fucking. I'm looking to get the 15, but right now they're out.
They're out of stock? Why don't you ask them right here? This is that other mag that has the grip for it. Technically, you're supposed to run it like this.
Yeah.
I don't like that. I feel like it feels gay.
You gotta block that
I
out.
gotta edit that. Fuck me. Alright, bet. You wanna go first? And then me?
That's you.
Alright, bet. Oh no. Oh no. I was talking shit. That's crazy. We didn't show that on camera because we don't approve that. That's crazy. That's berserk. Whatever. Am I still shooting low left? Hell nah. I don't even know where these shot. Is it right here?
Yeah. Those 2 right there.
These two or these two?
The bottom 2.
These two, right?
Those 2 weren't there. Or were they?
I don't know. Fuck it. At this point, it's just a drill now, so. But we're trying to even it out. So at least we know we're heading for headshots. And then these 2 were the 40, so those don't even count.
Yeah.
Well, all right, go ahead. That's you.
Disgust. How far?
You disgust me. It don't matter. However far you want to go now. Want to go far?
Fuck, he said up the distance.
Hello, hello. All right. You only had 3?
Yeah, for when you put it up.
Oh yeah. I forgot.
That one now.
I don't even know where they went at this point.
Right there. There's one of these.
And then you re-landed up top over here, no? Oh, here.
Yeah. Mine. And then I opened up your home.
These. Try that. Try the other one.
Bro, my uncle's, the 12 gauge, will leave 2 big old holes like this.
He's using what, like birdshot? Buckshot? Birdshot, right?
I don't know what they're using, but it's just 2 big holes.
I'd say try it with the grip and see if you feel a difference. Because you shot it like this without it, right? Because most people say, yeah, that the grip was what really makes it, so.
What? For yours?
Yeah, well, I don't know. Well, the gun in general, because I like it like this. I'm a hood-ass motherfucker, so this looks like a little extendo to me. Hand-wise, hand placement, with the 15, it works. But a lot of people like the whole grip. I don't know, man.
What's it? You see the difference?
Yeah, see, because then you get a whole grip with the mag, so.
No, I think I'm gonna do the 15 so I could get a little bit
The whole
more.
grip? I'm telling
I
you.
just feel like with that one, I'm like right at the edge of it. See?
Yeah, with the pinky?
Yeah. Can't really get that good grip. This one I can.
Go ahead, load that motherfucker. It's loaded. It's ready. It's ready.
No, I like this better.
Yeah? Eesh. Shoot it with the other one if you want. It's loaded. You shot 3 to the body. Or you shot to the body and the head.
I got 2 in 1.
Oh, that's how
Three
you go.
3.
That's how you go 3 to the body. Yeah.
Bottom right.
And then the 2 in the middle, nah? These?
Which one? That one.
The one over
And
here.
that one, yeah.
What you think of it though? Do you think it's because of the gas pedal though?
What?
That it has less recoil?
Yeah.
And then you shot it with this, but you said you fuck with this?
Yeah.
Did you shoot it with this? Like
Hello?
this? Try it like this. Tell me what you think of that. Tell me what you think of that. Cause I'm gonna be honest, I don't like it at all. No likes to that at all. It should be loaded. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was like, put that thumb up top. Put this thumb right here. Yeah, like that. Yeah. And then grip them up. No way. Another one? It should be loaded.
Talking shit?
I'm talking hella shit. Brother. No way. Double jammies? Hey, that port going
Yours
crazy.
jam. Mine failed too.
Yours had 1. Mine had 2 already. God damn. You.
I know that one was mine.
What?
There?
I to compare to that, do you think you're putting too much weight?
I think. Wait. That's when I adjusted it, and then that's the last one I shot. I did it, and I got right there. Because these 2 were the only ones.
Yeah. At the body, I don't even know. That shit looks a little scattered now. I'm mainly shooting for this at this point.
Yeah.
If I shoot out, that's why I know I'm.
Aim right here. The wing.
So here, you're here.
Yeah.
Okay. And, man, I don't know. Just to carry this like that, I don't know. It's because I got
No, I feel-
sausage fingers, dog.
I feel like to carry is a little both.
You think you can shoot with your left?
That far?
That far? We gonna shoot with our that far? Alright, bet. Alright, bet. With the grip, yeah, maybe. From my left, yeah. So how we do it? Damn, I forgot to shoot for the shoulder. I'm shooting in the middle, fuck it. Oh, hell no. Hey, that feels weird.
With the knife?
Did I hit the knife?
On top. Yeah.
God damn. I don't even know where the other one is. Look at that shit. You try it? Left-handed? You could try either or at this point.
I want the other knife.
That was weird, bro.
For real? God damn.
It's too much, right?
That's a hella weird.
Where'd you shoot? I know it's over here, nah.
Nah.
I didn't see
There's
these.
somewhere over here.
Or are these?
In the top. Top two.
Oh, yeah.
Damn. Alright. You want to try to shoot each?
The shoulder? Yeah.
Which one you want, left or right?
I'll take the left one.
You're up.
Alright,
What you
bet.
want to do?
What are we doing? 2 shots? 3?
2 shots. Yours, 2 shots mine.
Alright, bet. Let's see how far we could go further.
That was a little down.
Damn, that's distance. Right there. Sheesh, let's see how far we're shooting. Hey, yo. Yo, this man's sick. You think I'm John Wick or something, bro? Jesus. Oh, too much zoom. Too much. Hey, yo, stop zooming in, bud. Oh, that was horrible. I don't even think I hit it.
That's mine.
Oh, yeah, right? Right there, right?
Yeah.
It's loaded?
Yeah.
Sure. Huh? Damn, I completely missed. Where'd they go? Off the board.
God damn.
There's one.
Bro, and you. Right
That's
here.
crazy. Look, the other one's right there, I think. Yeah, right here. Oh, no, it's not. Where did they go? Oh my god.
I think I better aim it.
That was funny.
Did you do it?
Yeah, both of them. You want to shoot the 40? That should be hectic.
Wait. Right there or further?
I think we were right there. A little farther? Yeah, right there. Yeah, safety. Doo-doo-doo.
Got my ass.
Oh, I see it. I didn't see that one. Shoot the other one. Shoot the other one.
I want to do you.
Doo-doo-doo. Bro, I didn't even see those. They incinerated.
Because I shot it through the same holes.
Oh. Looking at it. You talking about me? You didn't even shoot his left shoulder. Oh no, you can see it. It's in the middle. You hit it right at the 7.
I hit the 7. The 8, no?
Yeah, the 8. And then that's some bullshit. Run it back. Run it back. Ain't no way I'm getting beat. Alright, right there though. A little closer.
It's not even big enough to look, I've done it before.
Honestly, I don't even think it's getting on the board. Oh shit.
Was all of it?
No. It didn't feed. Bro, I didn't get not one shot on that shoulder.
You know why? Because you're ass. Where the fuck are these from?
Oh, I see him. Damn.
You shot his elbow.
Motherfucker's elbow's gone. Yeah. Hey, that barrel dirty as hell.
Yeah, clean your shit. When's the last time you cleaned them?
Before we shot? So I'll have to clean it again. I'm gonna load the 40 up. You're gonna save some? So you can keep it loaded at least? How many are you gonna put? 15?
Should I keep a mag? There might be a couple more on this one.
12, right?
Yeah, I think so.
That's your mag right there. Goes right there. This is your mag. This is what you got to shoot. You said there's some in here?
Yeah. I just filled that one up.
But I'll leave that right there. Fuck it, we could shoot the 40 if you want.
12, and then there should be like 6 in there.
And then another 5.
Yeah, there's 5. But there's one in the chamber too.
Sure. Uh-huh.
I got him on board. You can't do it.
Damn.
No, that one was already there. Those two. Merch, I shot them both.
But we're supposed to be shooting the shoulder, sir.
Nah, I shot right here. Then I got.
Sick ass. Send it back. Fuck it. Try to shoot for the one on the corner. You see how it has a 5 and then whatever? Like the point system? Try to see if you can target that.
How far? Right there?
Okay, right there. I only got like 5 more shots. So I'm only gonna shoot one.
Yours and I'll do one.
Alright, man. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Just see how.
Well, you could tell the difference besides the 5. Do your 5. We'll bring it in.
Alright, bet. Sheesh. That was horrible. Huh? Hey, but I don't know. I like it like this because at least, no, well, not even that. At least I know I'm aiming here and it's going to shoot low. So theoretically, if I shoot for the head, where's it going to shoot?
True.
And it's not like I'm going to shoot towards the body.
Don't you want to shoot when you're pointing? Nah.
Well, yeah, that too. But to be honest, like now we're talking.
You drop that front one, you'll be able to shoot a little.
Yeah. No, raise it, nah.
Up a little.
Yeah, raise it up a bit.
Yeah, because you're shooting too far down.
I'm
Because you say you're aiming here, you're shooting down here. If you take the sight
Raise it.
a little further up, yeah.
Type shit.
You were just pointing right now with the sight, you were pointing down. If anything, to the top.
Right there?
Yeah.
That's all you play, boy.
How's that aim?
Huh? Hey, yo.
As you were saying?
That's not bad. And how does it feel in your hand, though? This bitch feel comfortable, right?
Yeah. This is light.
Okay.
Compared to yours?
Stupid, like. This is not loaded, right?
No.
My dumb ass. So, and then, hey, comparison-wise, this motherfucker's small.
They compared this one to the 19.
Which one?
Mine.
For real?
Yeah. They're about the same size.
The Glock 19?
This one gives the 19 a run for its money. Oh.
But mine's smaller than the 19.
Oh.
This one's smaller than the 19.
Did I?
Swear to God.
Merch.
On God.
The only
This is the
difference that
concealed
the other
version.
one's a little slimmer than mine. Mine's just a little.
I want to say this is more like of a 43X type of shit. And then mine has the light, but that doesn't really matter. So compared to it. It is hella lighter though. Alright, with this one, we're out of bullets. So. Where you put your follower is this one, right?
That's that one.
And man. Okay, I'm gonna just be shooting the 27. I'm gonna shoot the 27 a little bit. Oh, you loaded yours?
Oh, there's 3 and 12.
And then this is the
Yeah,
alright,
check.
cool.
Right?
The right side? Yeah. Hey, this is nature distance. Damn.
Your first 2 were the bottom 2.
And then the top
The
right.
second 2. It was 2 and 2. Your girl's calling.
That's not bad. That's still low though. Yo.
Where you at?
At the range.
Still?
Yeah, we're about to finish.
It's almost 2.
I know you're almost out. We'll be home at the same time.
Well, the plan was for you to be there before me.
Why?
Oh, don't worry about it now. I'll see you when I get home then. Bye.
Okay, bye. Right there, no? Oh, you were looking at the bars?
Yeah, it was right before the red tape and back. I was doing it by the reds.
Oh. Hey, yo.
What makes the difference? My son is very basically on the barrel.
Well, mine would be more if I had the optic, but I don't really have an optic, so that's pretty bad though. I could do the same thing with yours.
Do it.
With yours. Here we go. Check.
Dude,
Huh?
only with you.
What the hell? Oh shit, you got a light primer strike.
Ooh.
Huh? Huh? What the fuck? Did it fall? Where'd it go? Did you see one fall?
I heard one fall, but I didn't see where it went.
I felt that bitch, but I don't know where it went.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. Ah, what the fuck?
What you do?
I stovepiped it. Horrible. It's my fault.
Look, you having a problem with yours?
No, with yours. I haven't even shot yours. Nah, I think I just got a low left thing. That's crazy.
You match these two, and then this one.
Yeah.
How many you take out?
I think you got a couple more.
The one in there. Let's see how far you can shoot.
I saw all of those. Just finish it out. That one skimmed the paper.
I was told if I go fucking call.
Just leave it there. I'm gonna finish these out.
I bet.
That is big ass bullet, boy. Here. I'm just shooting for the body, if anything. That bitch has so much kick. You can finish it out. You don't want to kill it?
That's all you?
Oh, I was like, I got the other man.
I bet.
I was like, I had this other one. I killed the other one.
I didn't want to kill yours. That's why.
Nah, go ahead. Go ahead.
That's all you.
Sheesh.
You put it in your grip and that shit's thick.
Just the front, right?
Yeah.
I know, I gotta re-put it. Sorry. I know, man. Relax. Let me shoot this motherfucker. Damn, that was hella dip. Damn.
What happened?
I'm dipping like a motherfucker.
Closer. I'll show you how to. Before you finish, I'll show you what to do.
Let me load one. The guy shot him. Technically,
Shoot for the
when,
five.
when for self-defense, we're only allowed to shoot up to this far. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Anything after where we go to jail, I know I could shoot him from right here. Right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, this one's yours, so you could shoot the 27. This is mine. How should he for the head?
Shot by the ear.
Which on the left?
Left. Right in the middle. Left ear. Middle again. Top right. I see that one. Middle again.
I feel like I'm dropping these.
Bring it in.
Dude, that shit has so much kick.
You first started shooting it over here.
On here, right?
And then you ended up, when I kept saying middle, it was a couple of it. It was right here, right here.
When you said the middles, I was aiming over
And
here.
then the top right, you hit one of these. I think you made that one of these ones. But the rest of them were right here and right here. Then you got the 2 ears.
Gave him a piercing. Go ahead. Damn, you sitting. Where are you shooting?
Towards the left.
The
Where's
neck
shooting?
part? Alright, but I see it.
I was going for the left shoulder.
Alright, but yeah, because you're shooting, well, towards the left shoulder, but like right above it in the white spot. Finish that motherfucker out.
This was me right now, right?
Yeah. It was funny because it went in a line, and then it was these two, then this one, this one, this one, this one, and then these two.
For this one, I gotta aim a little right of it.
That's what I'm telling you. When you said I was shooting here, I was pointing over here.
When I shot these, I was further up. When I aimed at here, I was aiming over here. And I shot right there.
Hella. What to do? What to do?
Hitting the right.
There was one I didn't see, but the rest of them were pretty spot on. Then I don't know where that other one went.
Now me shooting better than you with your own gun.
That's crazy. It's alright, bro. You only learn from the best. Nah?
Crazy without my first time wasn't with you.
That's crazy. Nothing. I'm putting it away. So I was just loading it.
Sí, más o menos like that.
Ah, tú sí eres perro, la verga. And that's a wrap. That's a motherfucking wrap, brother. Alright, man, that's range day. We came to Article 2, not gonna cap. That shit was pretty raw. Damn. That shit was lit as hell. That's too much, son.
Cheap too.
Cheap as hell, bro. I was telling him I go to Eagle Sports Range. Bro, that shit's stupid expensive. Look, I stole 2 that fell in my pocket. But we bought a whip. Do a little fucking cold start.